Is Microsoft Word refusing to launch, leaving your important documents locked away? Don't panic, because in the next 90 seconds, we'll get you back to typing. First, let's try the simplest fix: a good old-fashioned restart. Sometimes, temporary glitches can prevent Word from opening, so shut down your computer completely, wait a moment, and then power it back on. Once your computer has fully loaded, try opening Word again. If a simple restart didn't do the trick, we'll try opening Word with administrator privileges. This can bypass permission issues that might be blocking its launch, so find your Microsoft Word shortcut, whether it's on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on it, and then select Run as Administrator from the options that appear. If running as administrator still doesn't help, it's time to look at Word's installation itself. We'll repair it. Go to your Windows control panel and find Programs and Features, or Add or Remove Programs. Locate Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word in the list. Once you've found it, click on it, and then select the Change or Modify option. You'll likely see options to repair. Choose the Quick Repair first, as it's faster. If that doesn't resolve the problem, you can try the Online Repair or Full Repair. For a more thorough fix, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the repair process. Sometimes, problematic add-ins can interfere with Word's ability to open. Let's disable them temporarily. Open Word. If you're still unable to, skip this step for now. Go to File, then Options, and select Add-ins at the bottom next to Manage COM add-ins. Click Go. Uncheck all the boxes, then click OK. Try reopening Word. If this works, you can re-enable your add-ins one by one to find the culprit. Finally, let's try starting Word in safe mode. This mode starts Word without most add-ins and custom settings. To do this, hold down the Control key. While you click on the Word icon, you'll be prompted to start Word in safe mode. Click Yes. If Word opens in safe mode, the issue is likely with an add-in or a customization. You can then use the steps we just covered to identify and remove the problematic element. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues preventing Microsoft Word from opening. Happy typing!